Well, my name's Stephen Tamplin. I'm the owner, operator and the licensee for Tablelands Premier Meats. As well as that, I'm also a qualified meat inspector and meat safety officer. We started off back in 2009 with farmers market presence and getting our meat from our own farms, because we have our own farm at Canowindra. And on our own farm we grow our own chickens, ducks, turkeys, pigs, goats, sheep and cattle. We were sending our meat to commercial abattoirs for processing, but we did recognise that we weren't always getting everything of ours back as we thought we should. We went ahead and built our own abattoir through the process with the DPI and became fully licensed in 2013 for red meat. In 2014 we extended that licence to do the white meat, so we were able to then grow and process and then sell our product with no other external parties involved. We extended that further by adding a range of small goods. So we were doing our own sausages, we were doing our own bacons, we were doing our own hams, and we acquired this butchery in December 17, and it becomes a logical extension of our service, that we can go from our paddock, those animals come into our abattoir, we control the whole process, we bring it to our butchery so people know that what they're getting is a genuine item from our property. We have supplied some restaurants and cafes. We're open to further work. We find that, one, people are looking for shorter food miles and they're looking for fresh, they're looking for quality. If the money is retained in the community, then the community benefits from the money coming back into the community. It's just a big roundabout. If people know that they can go to ABC restaurant and they can get local food, and that food is regular and acceptable and everybody's happy with it, then that restaurant can then get return business from people who get talked about. Consumers tell other consumers. The Meatmaster lamb shanks in Dorothy's slow cooked braise is absolutely good. My personal preference though is for our lean dairy beef blade steak. T-bones are nice, rumps are good, but a blade steak, being a non-weight bearing muscle, is much more tender, juicy, and I find that just a nice pan grill works well.